nail art is not just about appearance, it's all about empowerment and professional growth. Imagine nails adorned with small sculptures, gems, and decorations that seem to defy gravity. Nail art isn't limited to a single style or theme. It can be adopted to any occasion. In the world of nail art, your imagination is not only limited. Getting that perfect look with modern dark nail polishes takes a bit of skill. The shape of your nails can change the whole look. Oval and almond shapes add elegance, while square or stiletto shapes bring in some edge. Dark nail polish can show chips and flaws more clearly. Make sure your nails are well kept and touch up as needed. Think about your jewelry and outfit when you have dark nails. Modern dark nail polishes comes in a bunch of captivating colors, each with its own charm. Black nail polish is the ultimate in modern boldness. It's strong, adaptable, and always in fashion. Ideal for a night out or adding some mystery to your everyday lifestyle. It's a fantastic choice for fancy events or when you want to feel extra classy. Dark blue nails are both calming and bold. You can go from midnight navy to deep sapphire, making it flexible for various occasions. Plum shades bring a hint of mystery to your nails. They are great for a moody, enigmatic look, especially in the colder months. Charcoal gray nails are special, stylish, and a bit unconventional. They offer a sophisticated alternative to black, making you stand out with style.